And it's not just me using single-use cups. The US throws away 50 billion single-use cups annually. Worldwide, 600 billion single-use coffee cups are thrown away annually. Most people, including myself, never really grasp the entirety of what it means to have single-use dishes and silverware. We think of single-use items as something that costs more for convenience and less dishes. That's as far as the thought process goes. I think it's important to educate people on what it means for us to have single-use items. Single-use items don't reflect the work put into procuring the resources needed to make the item, manufacturing the item, and then shipping the item to the place that it'll be used for an hour or so, and then thrown into the trash so that it will end up in a landfill somewhere. But what will get people to stop this cycle? First, people need to open their eyes to the cycle that they're in. People, young and old, need to understand where the products they're using are from and how they're made, and how they're disposed of. Consumers are so removed from the process of manufacture and disposal because of the social system they live in has designed it that way. If people are educated in school about how products are made and then how they're disposed of, they would have more respect for the work and materials invested into making the products they use, and maybe would not dispose of them so nonchalantly. I think that informing people of where their waste ends up and the amount of waste they accumulate through their lifetimes would be eye-opening, but I don't think knowing alone would make a difference in their actions. People are more likely to take action if they're shown the waste that is produced daily. If you're taught the process of disposal of waste and recyclables in school and shown these processes at field trips to dumps and recycling facilities and landfills, as you can see here, they'll be more likely to think back on those experiences when they're going out to buy a coffee or single-use silverware. The struggles that companies and consumers alike face when switching from single-use plastic cups to reusable cups are time and convenience. It'll be a time-consuming transition from single-use cups to reusable cups, but the result of less plastics wasted daily will be worth the lag of converting from single-use to reusable. By doing this project, I learned that it is in fact hard to break away from the convenience of a non-sustainable lifestyle. I realized that it will take a lot of facts and eye-openers for people to take it upon themselves to change, but with more education I believe that people will change for the better of the environment.